Hey guys, so I'm leaving today to go to Kansas City with Autumn. Tomorrow we will be leaving to go to Denver for Coffee Fest, for the coffee shop. We want to go there and we're gonna learn some stuff. So I'm gonna be running in KC hopefully tomorrow, then be running in Denver on Friday morning. Maybe some other running while I'm there, but I'm gonna go hiking. We're gonna have a fantastic time. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So keep in touch, keep watching. It's gonna be a good weekend. So I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, it is 11 o'clock. Autumn and I just got to Kansas City. About to go. Wait! I gotta get my bag out of there.
Oh,
So we're in KC. We leave for Denver tomorrow. Autumn. Thinking about running in the morning. Just got here to the apartment, laying on the couch, gotta do some work, and then gonna go sleep. What time is it?
wait, 6:15.
It's 6:15. We're in Kansas City. The alarm just went off.
You don't really get the whole
Telling
picture
us.
until you can hear the alarm, so I think you need to go back in. And
I'm not
listen
going
to
back in there. The alarm went off, and we had to run downstairs. Don't know why. We left everything we own.
Except our phones.
Except for our phones. So, the alarm went off. We came back inside. Apparently, there was just a pipe pressure or something like that. So we were both abruptly woken, sleeping. I jump out of bed, throw our shoes on, don't grab anything, and run outside. Went downstairs, was asking people, like, does this happen all the time? And like, last year it's happened a lot more. And apparently last time it happened, it was in the cold, so we were in the clear there, so it's not cold. But super tired. I'm gonna throw my shoes on and go for a run. I didn't want to wait for it to be done, so.
What?
Nothing, I'm recording a video, Autumn.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're leaving. At least we're close to leaving. Finished run, did 2 miles. Super tired because we got woken up early by that alarm. Now we're gonna go get some coffee and some food. We've been driving for 3 hours. It's clean windshield out here in Kansas, looking for some windmills. Also doing some work on the road. And I have 2 phones in my hand. So we are currently on no dots on the little fuel gauge. We got our gas light on and we are 9 miles away from the gas station. Oh. That means we don't have any gas. We made it to the gas station and we didn't run out of gas.
Yes.
Way to go, team.